This activity relates to solving quadratic equations experimentally. The objective of this activity is to solve a quadratic equation x square plus 8x minus 48 equal to 0 experimentally or by using activity method. Let's understand what a quadratic equation is. A quadratic equation has the general form ax square plus bx plus c, and on the right hand side you always have a 0. And there is a condition associated with this: the coefficient of x square, that is a, cannot be 0. So the degree of the polynomial on the left hand side has to be 2. And whenever you factorize the polynomial on the left hand side, it gives two linear factors. That means both the factors will have degree 1. So suppose we have any quadratic polynomial like 3x square minus 8x plus 15 equals 0. This polynomial is a quadratic polynomial, and all the quadratic polynomials have two factors. When you substitute those two factors, say x plus a and x plus b equal to 0, then you can equate x plus a equal to 0 to get the first solution, and equate x plus b equal to 0 to get the second solution. And therefore every quadratic equation has two solutions. But this is the algebraic way of solving the quadratic equations. We will be solving a particular quadratic equation in this activity using the experiment. Let's see what is the material required for this. We'll be using colored paper, then sketch pens, geometry box obviously, pencil, eraser, those are general material required, and then the glue for pasting work. Let's solve one of the quadratic equations now.
To find the roots of the equation x square plus 8x minus 48 equal to 0 experimentally, we have drawn a square here in which we have not written anything in this part. This part is a square. We assume that this length is x and this is 4. Likewise, this is x and this is x. This is 4, x, 4, 4. So all the sides are either x or 4. That means the entire figure is a square of side x plus 4. If you see the area of this part, x times 4, which is 4x. Area of this part, it is x times x, which is x square. And area of this part is x times 4, which is 4x. So if you add the area of these three parts, it is actually x square plus 8x. And how much is this area if I assume that x is 4? So 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 4, 16, and 4 times 4, 16. That means these three areas add up to 48. And you can see we obtain the same quadratic equation from this relationship. Now what we are going to do here is we are going to add a 4 by 4 square here. Now if you add a 4 by 4 square here, then obviously this x plus 4 whole square will now reduce to 8 square, because 4 plus 4 is now equal to 8. The side is 8. So the x plus 4 and the 8 are equal, and therefore the area of this entire figure x plus 4 whole square becomes equal to 8 square. And when you cancel the squares, the right hand side becomes plus minus 8. And now when you take x plus 4 equal to 8, you get x equal to 4, which is one root of this quadratic equation. And if you take x plus 4 equal to minus 8, you get x equal to minus 12, which is the other root of this quadratic equation. So this is the experimental proof that x square plus 8x minus 48 equal to 0 has the roots x equal to 4 and x equal to minus 12. And that completes our activity.